Hello. So in this video, I'll be going through finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. So a geometric sequence is a sequence where each term progresses by multiplying by a common ratio each time. So a common ratio in this series that we have here is, we see there's no linear or quadratic difference between the terms. This time we have a multiplication of 2 between each term. So this is a geometric sequence. We have a common ratio of 2. Common ratio is 2. So there's actually a formula that will help us find the nth term of this kind of sequence. And the formula is an is equal to a, where a is the first term, times r, where r is the common ratio, multiplied by n minus 1. So let's just annotate this here. First term and common ratio. So what's the first term in the sequence? Well, the first term is just 1. So therefore the nth term is equal to 1 times the common ratio. The common ratio is 2. So you can put that in here. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of n minus 1, which is the same as 2 to the power of n minus 1. So our nth term for the sequence is 2 to the power of n minus 1. So if we wanted to find the 7th term, for example, we could do 2 to the power of 7, replace n by 7 minus 1, which gives us 2 to the power 6. So the 7th term is 2 to the power 6, and that's equal to 64. So the 7th term is 64. So that was the basic example. Now this is a more challenging example here. And a common mistake here would be to label this as each term as progressing by a division of 2. However, the common ratio is always a multiplication. So instead of writing dividing by 2, we need to write multiplying by 1/2. So instead of dividing by 2, we multiply by 1/2. And that gives us our common ratio. A common ratio is always expressed as a multiplication, not a division. So for this sequence, the common ratio is 1/2. So using this information and the formula a multiplied by r to the power of n minus 1, I want you to firstly find a formula for the nth term, and second, I want to tell me what the 11th term in the sequence. So once you have the answer to both parts A and B, please let me know in the comments. So that's it for all you need to know for geometric sequences. And I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like, share, subscribe, and comment any other problems you'd like me to go through. And of course, also comment the answer to these 2 questions I've given. Thank you.